They gave me a ring under family eyes. Drums were beating, ululations in the skies. My mother smiled, the elders prayed. A husband was the promise that day was made. A home was built with duty and name, shared traditions, a borrowed flame. Respect was written in every vow, but my heart was quiet somehow. Some loves grow from the roots of land, some go wild, not planned by hand. A husband holds the family line, a life partner holds this heart of mine. One is duty, one is choice, one is silence, one my voice. Both are real in different ways. Both have walked through my days, but love is deeper than what they see. A life partner is who walks with me. He knows my fears, my restless mind, the dreams I buried far behind. No elders there to bless our start, just truth spoken heart to heart. No bride price paid, no dancing crowd, no promises spoken loud. But in his arms I finally see what loving freely means to me. Some roads are paved by ancient hands, some we draw across the sands. A husband holds the family line, a life partner holds this heart of mine. One is duty, one is choice, one is silence, one my voice. Both are real in different ways. Both have walked through my days, but love is deeper than what they see. A life partner is who walks with me. Maybe the world will never know why some loves stay and some must go. But titles fade when night is long, and the truest love is the one that's strong. A husband may wear the honored name, but a life partner shares the flame. Not just tradition, not just law, but the soul behind what people saw. Two kinds of love shaped my story, one by culture, one by glory. And when my final days will be, the one who stayed walked life with me. My name is enough. Aunties whisper over tea and rice. Your clock is ticking, child, take advice. Mama's eyes full of gentle prayer. Who will call you mother there? But I walk the red earth under my feet, with my own rhythm, my own heartbeat. The drums of life don't sound the same. slip away. They measure love in tiny shoes and think I must be born to lose. But I plant my gardens far and wide, in books, in work, in the life I guide. Some women mother with lullabies, some